Welcome to Canada and welcome. Hindi naman pala naka-video. Welcome to Canada. What's going on here? What's going on?
My body.
Jackass Mountain. We're at the Jackass Mountain. Oh, Philippines. Sikat ng Philippines, ah. See?
Oh my God! It's frozen! Look at that water!
Itong rest area nila. Aliit to. Hindi kasama yung bahay, ah.
Let's go!
Ito po si Rodelio San Pablo reporting. Ito po at nagsisitakasan na sila. Ayun na. Nature lover. Yan lang ang rest area nila. Ganyan lang. Minsan may portable na. Look guys, it's 9:05 p.m. So look, Alaska. Look at that bright sky.
That's Alaska.
It's 9. Welcome to Prince George, BC.